What's up, scrappers? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to go from this to this. We're also gonna go from a couple bucks in scrap value to more than $20 in value as resale. Weed eaters are something that pretty much every scrapper I know picks up fairly often, either in the alley, in the trash, or cleaning up properties, find a pile of them, and there always seems to be some problem, whether it's a broken fuel tank, a cord that doesn't retract, busted fuel primer bubbles. But we're gonna fix this quick and easy. We're gonna use this $11 kit I got from Amazon. It's got extra fuel primer bubbles, fuel filters, and 4 different sizes of fuel line. I'll link this in the description if anyone's interested in looking at that. But today I'm just gonna try to fix this one up. It's got both of the fuel lines deteriorated, and the primer button is all the way shot. Other than that, I don't see much wrong with it. The spark plug does work when you pull the cord, so let's fix these little issues and put some gas in it and see if it runs. Get this gas tank off real quick. Shake all the gunk out of there. There's the old fuel lines and fuel filter that was in there. We'll go ahead and take this old primer bulb off. I got a couple different sizes in this kit, but that looks like the one. Just pull that old one up out of there. Fit this one in. Next, we'll take a look at our fuel line. Try to find the same size. Looks to me like this one. We'll try to push enough fuel line in there that we can fish it out through this cap. Like that. Get our fuel filter put back on there. Pull back some of the slack. Not too much, because you want this down in the gas tank. So we need about this much hose. Cut off another little piece for the return line, get that fitted in there. Pull that old line off. Put our intake on there. We want to get it pushed all the way down flush. Put our return line here. We'll prime that a couple times. Set it to full choke. Put on half choke. And now we've got a perfectly good weed eater saved from the scrap bin. Went from being a couple bucks max to nothing less than $20 in profit off this weed eater here. I got a couple other ones. I've got a Toro and a Steel that I wouldn't let go for anything less than 50 bucks once I get them cleaned up and fixed. So I'm gonna jump right into that project, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share the channel. Have a good one.